Hi and welcome back to my channel. Today we will be looking at a recently published book by Chinthaka Herath, and this is August Reverie Epic Part 2. The book was kindly sent to me by the author. It has soft and glossy cover, and let's compare the size of the book to the typical book by Hannah Carson. You can see that it has almost the same width but slightly higher. Book has glued binding and glossy cover. On the backside we have some information about this edition and also information about first book by Chinthaka Herath, which was also called August Reverie Epic Part 1, and the first book was quite successful among colorists. At least I saw a lot of beautiful finished pictures, and I'm really happy that now I also have the possibility to color work by Chinthaka Herath. So here we have the name page, and you can see that the artist work is really beautiful. Quality of the paper is medium. I really wish that paper could be thicker and could be suitable for watercolors. Here we have contents of the book, and in total in this book we have 24 new pictures to color. They are one-sided, so it's easier to use all supplies apart from watercolors. You will be able to use acrylic paints and gouache paints, which don't need so much water as watercolors. And I really love tools of the paper. It's suitable for all kinds of pencils, but I prefer to use harder ones. I also love that picture is not too close to the binding, so it won't be a problem. If you love fairy tales, legends, knights, princes, mermaids, you definitely will love this book. It's a great book for practicing coloring skin and faces, and you definitely don't have to worry about the background because the page is quite detailed and we don't have a lot of free empty spaces. Floral designs are also very lovely, and on some pictures we can find light shading, which really will help for beginner colorists to create shadows and highlights. As I said, paper is of medium quality, but this is a good balance between the quality and the cost of the book. I know that now on Amazon USA they have a huge discount for this book, and the price is, I think, $6 US. So for me it's quite reasonable for such a beautiful artist work. I definitely will color this page for my birthday coloring in August. I colored a picture with a lion from Tomislav Tomic last year, and I think that this picture will be this year birthday coloring. I love that we have portraits of quite strong ladies here, and also a lot of jewelries and flowers, of course. So definitely these subjects are my favorite in coloring. After 24 new pictures, we also have two most popular pictures from the first book, I saw so many beautiful examples of this portrait. And in the end, we also have a couple of empty pages to test our art supplies. But I tested art supplies on the first page. And this brown gray is by Derwent Color Source, and they didn't lay down quite well without blender, but with blender they look much better. This grass and crystal I colored with Faber-Castell polychromases, and they look and work much better. So this paper, in my opinion, prefer harder pencils. But this tulip I colored with Prismacolors, and they also work nice. Here I tested alcohol-based markers, and you can see that they were able to stay in line, but of course they bleeded through. I already colored a page from this book, and I plan to post both videos, this review and my coloring, in the same time, so I hope that you also will watch that video. And you can see that tooth of the paper is really very good for, and paper accepts a lot of lowering, and it's very good for coloring skin and fur of animals. I am quite happy to this new addition to my coloring collection, and the link to the Amazon USA will be in the info box. Thank you for watching, and please don't miss my coloring from this August Reverie Epic Part 2. See you!